Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to loop video footage in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to loop over and over. You could simply loop your footage by holding the Alt key and dragging your clip to its endpoint as many times as you want. However, this method will result in a hard cut between each loop as shown. This is because the start of the clip and the end of the clip do not match. So we'll show you a simple method to get around this. Select the razor tool over here, or click C on your keyboard. Get started by making a cut near the middle of your clip to cut it in half. Now choose your selection tool, or press V on your keyboard. Then hold the Control key, Command on Mac, and drag the last half of your clip above itself to the start of the next track, like shown. You'll notice this row of right-facing arrows. This is the Control key telling Premiere to push everything to the right when you drop your clip. You'll notice now that your lower clip has been pushed to the right and your two clips have been swapped around. Drag your lower clip so that its start is overlapping with the end of the top clip. Next, let's head over to the Effects panel and type Cross into the search box. Drag the Cross Dissolve transition onto the end of your top clip and stretch the transition to the start of the clip below. You may need to zoom in to modify your transition, as shown. This now gives us a subtle but clean crossfade that restarts your loop without a hard cut. Because you've now made a crossfade in the middle of your clip, the start and the finish of your loop now match and can be infinitely looped with minimal effort. Now you can drag select both clips and while holding down the Alt key, Option key on Mac, simply drag them to make a copy attached to the end of the first loop like shown. To make your loop longer, simply drag select your longer loop and repeat the same steps. A quick tip, snap doesn't work while you're copying a clip. If you notice your loops aren't snapping together, you may need to reselect them and then snap them back to the edge. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.